G'day, Peter here from Comfort Zone Insulation. I hope you enjoy our next video about insulation, and just remember, if you need a quote, click on the link and we're happy to help you out. Okay, now the other thing is, if you want to know the difference between a good tradesman and a bad one, if you look along here, this roof here looks okay all the way along, you know, except for one screw there that's got a heap of silicone on it, and then these sheets here all look nice, you know, but then we get along here to this section, that's just below there, and I think probably the solar guys of that don't know how to walk on a roof, and this is the damage they can do. So they stand, if you stand on this ridge, you'll kink it, especially in the middle. When you walk on a roof like this, a trim deck roof, the sheets are very thin, so you have to walk on the nail run, because that's where it's strongest. And if you do need to walk in the middle bit like here, then you have to stand with your foot in the bay and not up on top. If you walk across up on top here, you kink it like that, and when you kink them too badly, they actually leak, and that's why this one's got silicone on it, because they tear on both sides, right, of the kink. So it'll tear just in there, and it'll tear on there, and then water pools in the middle, and they leak. So now that's you know, that's what happens with an unqualified tradesman, I suppose, is that they wreck the sheets, and then you imagine trying to have to replace these sheets after your tradesman's been up here and kinked them all. You got to pull all the solar panels off to replace the sheets. It's not an easy job to do, and you can see all the way along up there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 kinks in the sheets, so there's a fair bit of damage just for that'll be one person walking up through there and wrecking them. Right?